Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Vitali and I create content on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel now. And today in this video, we did a haul recently which had Nike, Amazon, Apparel, everything in that haul. So today we are going to be reviewing those beauty products. Those were the beauty products today and beauty and skincare products. And let's see how do I like them. So let's get started. So I have used these products. It's been almost like 15-20 days since I'm using these products. I've been regular with some of the products. Some of the products I've just used a couple of times. So I'll just share you my feedback on those products and how I like them. This is based upon my personal choice. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first up we'll start with foundation and tints which I recently purchased. And first up is this. This is Maybelline's Fresh Tint, which is SPF 50 PA+++ as well and has vitamin C. This is in the shade 5, and this is absolutely a great product. And it's a budgeted product as well. Like this retails at 449, and I think I got it on Nykaa Pink Love sale, so I got some offer as well on this. This is a beautiful tint, beautiful product for your daily wear, office wear, everything. You can just go ahead and add a little bit of this tint on your face, and then you should be good to go. And trust me, I've not used it a lot many times, but I've used it like twice or thrice this product, and it gave me a really good finish. So, like, I will repurchase this product for sure. Second up, we have oh my god, this already has some foundation on it. So you can see I have used this product a lot already, and today also I've used this product. This is Maybelline New York's Lumi Matte Foundation. This is up to 30 hours. Like it says it stays up to 30 hours. This is SPF 16 as well, and my shade is 220. I just love this product, honestly. Like, it's so lightweight, such a nice product. Like it is not a very high duty foundation, or it's not a very high coverage foundation. But for you to, if you're stepping out for some casual lunch, if you're stepping out to run some errands, this is just the product. Or if you go to college, office, your daily wear foundation, this can be your daily wear foundation. Honestly, this is such a beautiful product. It comes in this. Sorry, it comes it is priced at 799, and again I got this on discount. This was below 500. If I'm not wrong, I got this product below 500. And this the consistency of this product is like water like consistency, and it blends into your skin like so very well. It won't leave those marks which some of the foundation leaves on your skin. It won't leave that. It will blend very easily on your face, and it is not very thick. So right now the weather is very humid, very hot, like at least in Pune it is. So this foundation for those hot weathers is like perfect. It's so lightweight on your skin, so you won't feel like very heavy or very hot in this weather. So this is definitely a repurchase for me. Like if this gets over, I'm definitely repurchasing this product. Like I've kept all my foundations aside, and I'm actually just going ahead and using this product during the daytime. So I love it. Next up, we have this product. And oh my god, like I've already, I think, spoken about it twice already. It's not been long since I've purchased this product, but I'm using this every day. Even today, below that Maybelline's foundation, I have used this tint. I mean, this is such a beautiful product. It's just like your second skin. This is e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It's a glow booster for radiant skin. I mean, this is such a beautiful product. I'll show you the consistency of this product as well. Like, I'll just take a little bit over here. It comes with a wand as well, which is like very easy to apply. And I'll just blend it like this. I mean, it just blends into your skin. It gives you that shine. If you want that dewy look, it will give you that dewy look. I mean, it will make your skin feel so fresh, so vibrant, so hydrated. This is a very like it's a beautiful, beautiful product. I think this is my favorite product right now. So yeah, I think we are done with tints and foundations. I just got these three foundations recently. So yeah. So now let's move to the next category, and the next like category as in I'll talk about some body care and hair care products. So yeah. First up we have this Dove Ka relaxing care nourishing body wash. So as I said that I was trying it for the first time, I heard a lot about it, a lot of reviews and everything. So I had to give it a try, and also it comes like in a good size bottle, which is like 1000 ml. It has this pump which makes it very convenient to use while you're in the shower, and it says shea butter and vanilla. It's a nourishing body wash, and I've heard like what I heard about is that the fragrance of this product is really very well. It's hydrating as well, so all the good things basically, right? So I went ahead and bought this bottle, and this is already like I've emptied it. Like it's all, I think more than half of the bottle is already finished. Me and my husband both uses this bottle, so that's why. But it's actually a good product. The fragrance is actually really very nice. It actually gives that additional moisture to your skin, and your body stays hydrated. Plus, you feel fresh as well. Like I feel that after using this product, I feel fresher as well, and the fragrance also lasts long. So right now, also the whole basket smells like this body wash, literally, because the fragrance is strong, I think. And I think that in body washes you need some strong fragrances, because I think it should last a little longer, right? Because if you're coming out of the shower, you're going somewhere, so you feel fresh if you are smelling good, so yeah, I think I will repurchase this as well. Maybe I'll probably try a different fragrance in this, but I'll definitely repurchase it. So next up we have this again from Dove. This is their 10-in-1 deep repair treatment hair mask. This again is a very pocket friendly product. It right now I'm not sure, but I think it was for 7.99 or something like that, and it's a good product. Like I won't say that it's the best hair mask I've used, but considering the price of this mask, this is actually good. So in the last shower as well, I've used this mask, and my hair is behaving honestly. Like it's not like unmanageable. It's not like very dehydrated and dry. So it's honestly a good hair mask. It keeps your hair hydrated. Like if you're looking for a budgeted hair mask which does its job, so I would definitely say this is a good product. I still have to figure out on the hair fall bit, because a lot of products does give you hair fall, and I think that the products of Dove which I've earlier used, like the shampoos and the conditioners, they did give me some hair fall. So maybe it's just me, but it did give me some hair fall. So I will still have to use it, like I think some few more times to realize or to understand that if this is giving me hair fall or not. But in terms of hydration, this is a good product. Then again, we have my Shoskov Spa Essence Enriching Cream Mask. So, like, this is not a new product for me. So, I am already in love with this product. So, I think once in a week you should use this product on your hair if your hair is lifeless, dry, dehydrated, and if you don't have the time to go to the salon, then this will do the job basically, because it gives you that nourishment. All you'll have to do is you'll have to apply it after shampooing your hair and keep it for like 15-20 minutes at least, and then just rinse it off. So this product is also a very beautiful product. I really like this product, and if your hair is like unmanageable, they're colored, dehydrated, then you should definitely use it once a week. It will You will see the results yourself. So I like this product already. So this is not a new product for me to try. So uh, honestly, it's not a review, it's just a feedback. I'll go ahead and repurchase it for sure once this stuff gets over. Because you need to use it in a good quantity. It's not like you can just take it uh, like a normal hair mask or conditioner and just apply it and just rinse it off. You need to like pick up your strands and apply this product in each and every strand of yours, to see that to see the best results basically. So yeah. In hair care, I have one more category, which is this. I recently purchased this. You can see I've not used much of it. I've just used it, I think, twice or thrice, because honestly I didn't really like it that much. Is their Hyaluron Pure range, and again it was supposed to like keep your hair oil free for a longer time, but honestly that didn't happen for me, and also it made my hair a little drier. So the hyaluronic range, which I already have, is I think much better than that. That is like my go-to shampoo. So if I'm like shampooing my hair 2 times, and the first wash is always with that hyaluronic range product or hyaluronic range shampoo. And conditioner, in terms of conditioner, as I said, that I always use mask. I just purchased it so that I wanted to try it and see this how it is. But honestly, conditioners doesn't work for my hair. I need a good hair mask. So maybe that's why I'm not the right person to talk about it. But yeah, for me, I think the hyaluronic range, I prefer that range more than this. I don't want my hair to get dry or frizzy or dehydrated. So the products can give me immense amount of hydration and moisture. I would prefer that. So I would not repurchase this. Let's come to some fragrances. Talk about this fragrance first. So you can see I've used this much fragrance already. I'm applying it on a regular basis. So whenever I'm going to the gym, I'm applying like with a mist, with a good mist. I'm applying this perfume as well. Again, it's a budget-friendly perfume and it smells really good. So standalone also it smells really good, and if you mix it up with Victoria's Secret body mist, the coconut one also, it smells really good. I mean, I love a mixture of coconut and vanilla as well. So I think that's why I really love this fragrance combined with the coconut body mist. It's a really good fragrance. Like I won't say that it's not good. It's a great fragrance. I'm sure it can give some competition to certain good fragrances as well out there in the market. And I would definitely go ahead and repurchase this product as well. And the packaging is also really good. Like I think it gives that Versace feel a little bit. Yeah. I also purchased the Moi fragrances. So the best one which I liked from them was this. I've not used them a lot honestly, but this is Joy de Vivre. This one is really very nice. I mean, this is refreshing as well. So I like this fragrance in their Moi collection, and also I love this one, the Raisin the Itre. This is also really very nice. I love the color only, but the fragrance is also like it's a strong fragrance. Like if you're wearing this and stepping out, I'm sure nobody will be able to tell that you're wearing a pocket friendly perfume honestly, because this smells like a rich girl vibe, or delicate vibe sort of a perfume. Like I can still smell it, and I'm like, it smells so good. I have two more fragrances. They are also good. So like all the fragrances I think from the Moi collection are good. So kudos to Nykaa Moi range. They have actually given certain good fragrances in a budget. So that is something which is good. Like Zara also does fragrances, but they are getting a little bit costlier now. Because I think their range is quite vast now, and they are actually doing a very good job in terms of perfumes. So if you're looking for a perfume which is like on a lesser side, on the price side lesser than Zara, then you can definitely try the Nykaa Moon range. So this also smells like summer in a bottle, honestly. So this is their sweet morning scent, and then actually, if you're going out during the day, trust me, this is your fragrance. I mean, you will smell fresh all day long. Then we have the last one, which is Follow Your Bliss. I love the packaging of this perfume, honestly, and this is also nice, honestly. I won't like this is my least favorite out of those four, out of these four. But this is also good. Like you can carry it along with certain mist and everything. This is also good, but yeah, I think the other three are really nice. I had purchased one more fragrance as well, which I like talked about it. It was from YSL, their Black OPM, and a lot of people talk about that fragrance. It smells really good and everything, and honestly, it smells so good. Like I've been using this fragrance only from the time I've actually purchased this. Ah, it smells too good. I mean, this smells like if you walk past somebody wearing this, obviously in a good amount, because one or two spritz, I don't think so anybody can make out a difference in that. People say that just one spritz and you're good to go and everything, but I don't think that really happens. I have to I have to like spray a good amount of perfume on me to actually smell it on myself also, and for others as well. I think if I just pass around somebody and they can figure it out that I'm wearing a perfume, or if I'm wearing a good fragrance, or if I'm making a difference. But yeah, this perfume all in all is really good, and the bottle is also so chic. I love this bottle. So yeah, love it. absolutely a repurchase. Now I have certain other items as well, like I have a vitamin C serum also. Again, that is not a new product for me to try. I didn't try it. It was like I don't know how many bottles I have used of this product. Probably I think 8 to 10 or maybe more than that. This has been my constant since I like now 5 years. Since 5 years, I'm using this Claire's vitamin C serum, 5 or 4 years maybe, and I've been consistent with it because any other vitamin C serum I use gives me breakouts. I don't feel a visible difference on my skin. But if I'm not using it for a month and I start using it after a month for like 7 days straight, I will see that radiance, I will see that difference, that brightness, that evenness in my skin for sure. So this is the product I really rely on. I think it's I think no, like it has L-ascorbic acid, which is like the purest form of vitamin C. It gets a little yellow as well, but that is not a problem with me. It's getting a little oxidized. I think that is a myth which is there in the market that once it oxidizes, it becomes bad and everything. So a little bit of giving it a little pale yellow color, I think it's fine till the time it's working for my skin. So yeah, I think this is a great product and definitely I'll repurchase it. I'll repurchase it again and again and again. I won't get bored of it till the time I come up with the vitamin C serum. Now we have some lip products. So I ordered this from Fave Beauty, and honestly, I've used them a lot. Like probably I've used them 6, 7 times already. It's they are actually a very nice product again in a budget, and they just does their job. Plus, I love their packaging. Like their packaging is so chic. I really love their packaging. Their lip liners are also very pigmented and very nice, like you can see, and their lipsticks are also very nice. Like I love their lipsticks too. I love their lip whips as well. The shades are very pretty. See, I am a neutral girl. I love neutral browns over anything. Like I cannot apply reds or oranges on my face. Honestly, it doesn't suit me. So I always go for neutrals and neutral browns or things like that, nudes. So these two shades like Cuff and Bun are amazing, I think, for my skin tone. So kudos to Fair Beauty. They did an amazing job with the formulation, with the texture, with everything, and I love their products. I will definitely purchase more shades if like I find good neutral shades. I will definitely go ahead and purchase more shades as well. So then I also got this lip balm from Simply Nam by Namrata Soni, and it's in the shade Sweet Kiss. It's like a pink color, like this. So as you can see, the texture is really very nice. The shade is really very pretty. My only concern with this lip balm is like it is a lip balm. Like it's not a tint. So if we use certain tinted lip balms, and it gives you a tint as well. But with this, it's like it sits on your lips, and it doesn't really, I don't know how to say it, but it doesn't really blend in your lips. Like it feels like you have something on your lips. So I think the formulation is it's a little bit thick for me. That's why I feel like that. But all in all, it's a good product. Like I do apply it while I'm going to the gym. The only concern is that it's not that long lasting. So that's my only concern. But other than that, it's a good product. Okay, so then we have this Lineage lip mask in the fragrance vanilla. So yeah, I like you already know that I love Lineage car lip mask. I've been using again Lineage for a very long time. I've been a loyal customer of Lineage as well. Their lip mask basically. So I wanted to try this new fragrance which is vanilla. It is good, to be very honest. It's actually good. The texture and everything is the same. The only difference is the fragrance. Honestly, I love their lavender and strawberry fragrances more compared to vanilla. But since I've purchased it, I'll definitely end up using it because hydration. Because at the end of the day, you do need hydration, right? So it will do its job. But yeah, I would still repurchase the strawberry and the lavender versions of the lip mask. Last product for today. I didn't get it from Nykaa, but I got it from their website. This is the Numore gua sha basically, which I purchased, the electronic gua sha, and I wanted to give it a try because I saw it in Kushaka Pilla's story. And this has three modes basically. Three lights. It has the red light, it has the blue light, and it has this pink purple light. So what you just need to do is you need to just slide it off like this, like after applying a good oil or after hydrating your skin very well, you just need to slide it off like this. I have been using it again from like 15-20 days and I've been consistent with it as well. It is a good product, definitely. I think that it has given me a little bit of, that snatchy look on my face as well, because definitely if you use a gua sha, it gives you that snatched look. So it has given me that, but honestly, I didn't see any difference on my uh, some of my acne marks or dark spots which I have on my face. I didn't notice any visible difference over there. But otherwise, like to snatch your face and to give it that extra glow, it's a nice product. So it's a little bit expensive as well. It's for I think 550, 200 or something, and but yeah, it will last you for a very long time. Like it's a tool which you can use for, say, I don't know, for a certain amount of years, right? So it's a good investment, and yeah, it's a good product all in all. I don't have to repurchase it, so for a good amount of time, so I'm not considering that right now. Okay, that is it, guys. So that was the mini review of all the products which I've purchased. Again, it's not been very long. It's just been like 20, 15, 20 days or a little bit over that since I've been using these products. So it's not a very review which is based upon like after using a product for like 2, 3 months or something like that. But then again, 15, 20 days is also a good amount of time to understand what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So these are some of the products and some of the feedback of the products which I have used. Do let me know how do you like it, and if you want the links of these products, go ahead and comment. I will certainly share the links with you. And yeah, I will do a haul again on the next set of haul which I did, and I will review those products for you guys as well. That is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.